Hello, my name is Nigel Wyatt. I'm a finance trainer. I've been delivering finance training programs for over 30 years. In the last year, I've been delivering my programs online because of the pandemic. My next program with 𝗥𝗲𝘀𝗀𝘀 is at the end of January the 26th, over 4 consecutive days in 4 3-hour sessions. The program covers everything you need to know for a finance for non-financial manager program. It really divides into 2 parts. The first 2 days we'll be talking about financial statements and financial analysis, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow. We'll be talking about your impact on those financial statements and how you can contribute to the improvement of performance within your organisations. How can you improve profit? How can you improve cash flow? The second 2 days we focus more on management accounting. That's more internally focused. Talking about costing, budgeting and investment appraisal. It's an online program, but we make it very interactive. We've got case studies, we've got exercises, and there'll be quite a lot of almost one-to-one coaching because we've got quite a small group. Apart from being a finance trainer, I'm also the author of this book, The Financial Times Essential Guide to Budgeting and Forecasting. That's really how we finish the program, focusing on the content of that book. So the idea of the program is it's going to give you a much better understanding of accounting and finance, and it'll give you practical tools and techniques to help you in your jobs and deliver improved performance in your organisations. I look forward to meeting you on the day. Thank you. Bye.